Hey guys, what if I tell you our current education system is completely changed? It has gone from wisdom oriented to mark oriented or rank oriented. How pathetic is it? Children nowadays are constantly trying to prove themselves in terms of marks, in terms of showing various ranks. And that's how we are expecting things from children. Somewhere we are killing their curiosity, we are killing their learning, we are killing the way they experiment with things in life. So, this is a high time we have to take a call on this. Guys, they should learn out of curiosity, they should learn experimenting various things in life, not by just mugging up the things, not by just solving certain questions and proving themselves, trying to prove to the society that they are worth of getting these many marks and this much rank. Guys, every kid is different, they have their own individuality and we have to respect that. See, mark and rank is a byproduct that automatically will come if the child learns the things the way they learn, right? So they have to learn out of curiosity, they have to learn out of passion. That's what we have to instill in a child. Instead of constantly putting the things to get mark, we should constantly work on building the curiosity in a child. So this is my opinion about the current education system. We have to change as a parent, we have to change as a teacher. Only then the change can be brought in a child's mind to see the things the way they are. Okay, not trying to prove in terms of these to the society. Guys, share your opinion in the comments. I would love to hear from you all. If you're a student, just put a question to yourself, how are you studying? And if you want to study the science the way it has to be understood, come to my courses or subscribe to my channel. You will understand the essence of conceptual learning. Don't run behind the marks. Run behind getting knowledge. Experiment with the things. See how the things will work out in the real world, right? So whatever you learn, test how they are working out in the real world. Have this passion, have this curiosity, automatically the so-called rank will come running behind you. Guys, whatever it may be, please comment in the comments, and I would like you all to share and like this video. Thank you so much.